Hi, my name is Zach Dewhurst, and I'm the owner and founder of Print Fundraising. The decoration industry is primarily composed of 6 decoration methods, which include embroidery, direct-to-garment printing, wide format printing, sublimation printing, screen printing, and screen print transfers. Now, most decoration shops only offer 1 or 2 of these decoration processes, but your customers will most often demand all 6 of them. Now, instead of having to turn your customers away to your competition, it's a good idea to outsource whatever decoration processes you can't fulfill in-house to us. Now, we offer contract pricing on all of the decoration processes. This allows you to make a margin in every product and really be the middleman for the customer. The first decoration process we'll talk about is direct screen printing, which has been around since the 1970s. Direct screen printing is the most common form of apparel decoration as it has the lowest unit print price. The cost associated with screen printing revolves around the total number of prints being ordered and the amount of colors in the artwork. That is because screen printing really revolves around the setup of the job, while the ink has the lowest unit print cost. The next decoration process we'll talk about are screen print transfers, which just like direct screen printing have been around since the 1970s. Now, screen print transfers include more labor and more material costs than direct screen printing, but give the end user much more versatility. Not to mention that they are the easiest form of decoration method that a new beginning decoration shop can apply. Now, there are many reasons why screen print transfers have advantages and why you actually pay that little bit more than going to a direct screen printer. First of all, screen print transfers allow you to print on demand. This allows you to print products when they are needed and not having to sit on printed inventory, which may or may not sell. The next great reason to use screen print transfers are the ability to print on difficult locations, like sleeves and leggings. This would be much more difficult for a direct screen printer compared to a screen print transfer just being heat applied directly onto the product. The next decoration process we'll talk about is direct-to-garment printing, also known as DTG printing. Direct-to-garment printing has grown in popularity over the past decade due to advances in technology. Direct-to-garment printing works just like wide format and sublimation printing, in which you can print full color, no minimum products using CMYK inks. Now, direct-to-garment printing works just like it sounds like. We're printing directly onto a product. Now, the problem with direct-to-garment printing is that the equipment is extremely expensive and takes time to master. That is why we suggest that any decoration shop outsource direct-to-garment printing to us when their customers demand low minimum orders with many colors in the artwork. The next decoration method we'll talk about is wide format printing. Wide format printing is similar to direct-to-garment printing in that it has grown in popularity over the past decade, uses CMYK inks to create full color images, and offers no minimums. Now, the products that you print on using wide format printing is much different than all the other decoration methods. The products are actually roll media, which includes canvas, stickers, clings, and banners. Schools have a high demand for graduation banners, and they have high profit margins as well. So why not play the middleman and outsource graduation banners to us while making a nice, healthy profit margin? The next decoration process we'll talk about is sublimation printing. Sublimation printing is similar to direct-to-garment and wide format printing in that it uses CMYK inks to create full color, no minimum prints. But sublimation printing is actually a little bit more similar to screen printing transfers in that we are printing a transfer that must have been heat applied to a product using a heat press. Now, one of the best things about sublimation printing is that there are a wide range of hard good products that can be sublimated, including mugs, coasters, and bag tags. 100% white polyester materials can also be heat applied using sublimation transfers. Sublimation transfers, again, offer the no minimum full color printing capability, and that is why it is virtually taking over engraving. So, the next time your school needs awards, why not consider outsourcing them to us and making a small margin? The last decoration method we'll talk about is embroidery. Embroidery is different than all the other decoration methods as it doesn't involve printing, but instead sewing thread onto a wide range of products. The most common products to be embroidered include hats, polos, and bags. Now, embroidery equipment is fairly expensive and takes time to master the process. So it's a good idea to outsource it to a decoration business like ours so you can play the middleman and satisfy all of your customers' wants and needs. As you can see, the decoration industry is full of many different decoration processes to print on a wide range of products. It's a good idea to understand how each decoration process works and who you can outsource them to. Again, we offer contract pricing on all of the decoration methods, so if you're ever in a bind and want to satisfy your customers' wants and needs, just contact us and see what is possible and how much it'll cost you. If you have any questions about the decoration methods and when to use them, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.